I would like to tell you, befriend wisdom, for she never lie and die. She's present on all ages that can't be denied. Abel, Caleb, Elijah, Elisha, just a few names who made God history. The vibrant apostles of Jesus Christ conquered the world through her nobility. Jeremiah and Esther were of one faith. Joshua and Rahab relied on her divine right. The significance of God immortality is pondering her beauty to hammer those who disobey. The revelation of awakening, a mother of those who wanted to be part of rapture, who venerated her as the third person of the Holy Trinity. I hold in awe of you, enjoy to look up your face, think highly, admiring you, magnify you as the untold treasure. Your sweetness is commendable, enshrined with your dignity.